Powered by Plascon, today's handy heroes come from Agrimark Paarl in the Western Cape.
Agrimark is deeply connected in the community. We've been partners to farmers and residents in the town for many generations. As Paarl is growing, so is the interest in our stores. As we are Agrimark, we are known as the farmers' people, so we mostly adhere to the farmers, but we do cater to DIY enthusiasts, to the contractor, so we are a one-stop destination for any hardware and farming need. What makes Agrimark Paarl the best hardware and paint store in Paarl is the fact that we are a one-stop destination for all your retail needs. What I love about Plascon is the fact that they are a well-renowned brand. They are a house name, and the service quality that you get from them is absolutely exceptional. My favorite Plascon product is Plascon Double Velvet. This is because of its amazing barrier protection, its exceptional spread rates, and the fact that from the get-go, from the time you roll it onto your wall, it feels like quality. My DIY tip is surface preparation. Surface preparation is everything in the painting space. If you have a well-prepped surface, you can do anything.
Today's handy heroes is powered by Plascon Wall and All. Unmatched dirt, stain, water and fade resistance to keep your walls beautiful for years. Plascon, together we've got this.